guess what today is? It's holiday. Today, we are going to be going through what I just got from Bath & Body Works. Let's get started with a fun Bath & Body Works haul. They're having a good sale right now. 3-wick candles are $12 something, I think. And normally we all know that they're like $25 for one 3-wick candle. So they are half off right now, which is really cool because guess what? The fall candles are included in that. They were having 5 for $25 Wallflowers, and they were doing the buy 3 get 1 free, I believe, for the body care item. We're gonna go ahead and get started with just our body care. All I got from body care is just the shower gels. I'm good on lotion, I'm good on spritzes. Like, I have not run out of sprays in I don't even know how long because I've just been so stocked up. These aren't really fall scented because they're shower gels. I don't really need to be smelling like pumpkin and cinnamon and all that. So first one I got is Pink Berry Clouds. This has a very sweet fragrance. It says that the fragrance notes are strawberry, sponge sugar, marshmallow fluff, and fresh air. So if you can just, you know, picture what that would smell like. It smells really good. Again, it's really sweet. Pink Berry Clouds, definitely would recommend that you guys get that one. Strawberry Pound Cake, I've had this candle before. The candle smells great. It might be a little too sweet for body, but I mean, it's fine. So this one also has the fragrance notes of fresh strawberries, but added golden shortcake and whipped cream. So it definitely smells like strawberries and whipped cream. If you've ever, like, I don't know, smelled that together, like that's definitely the note that you would get from this. Definitely golden shortcake too. Like, it's perfect. We have coconut candy apple. This one's not as sweet as I typically would get, but it does have that like fresh scent to it. So fragrance notes say candied red apple, shredded coconut, and then vanilla spice. It's definitely not a very sweet smelling one. It has a little bit of sweetness, but it's mainly like fresh, clean smelling. I don't know if you guys have smelled the apple scented things from Bath & Body, but they all just smell really like fresh, clean. And then next I got the Ocean body wash. I don't know if you guys have smelled this, but it smells so good. Body care was buy 3 get 1 free, so I got 1 item for free, and all of them came down to like $8 each. And the typical price for shower gels are like $13.50, so good deal. Next were the 5 for $25 Wallflower Refills. So I definitely had to restock on some Wallflowers, and I'll go ahead and let you guys know what I got. They were having their 5 for $25 deal, so I got 5, but then I got 1 for free because I had a coupon. First I got Pumpkin Cupcake. Again, I love sweet scents, and then they actually had some sweet scents kind of mushed together with fall, so I love that because fall scents are great, but sometimes they're a little too like strong, so then that sweet just kind of like mellows it out a little bit. I ended up getting 2 of these because I loved the way that it smelled so much, so I can't wait to have these going on in my apartment because they smell really good. Next I got spiced cardamom, whatever. All of these I think fall under the warm and comforting. So if you just think of how fall smells like in your home, in a shop, in wherever, like all of these fragrances are in that realm. Next, this one is a little sweet too, but it smells so good. This is the salted butter, Scotch, and vanilla. I'm not too crazy about vanilla, but the butterscotch smells so good, so I decided to go for it. Then I got pumpkin pecan waffles. I thought I got 2 of these, but I guess not. I currently have the wallflower for this going, and it smells so good. Just a smidge of like spice, but still sweet. I got pumpkin clove. I'm trying to remember what this smelled like in the store, but obviously it was good enough for me to want to buy it. I'm sure it was just like, you know, just pumpkin. Next, we're going to go through the candles. So the candles, again, were half off. Then I had another coupon on top of it. So I ended up just paying like $10 for these candles, which is a steal if you know Bath & Body. Bath & Body can be really expensive. First candle I got for fall is Pumpkin Spice Latte. We all know this scent. It's just fall. I'm so happy that this time of year is coming up. If you guys know me, you know this is my time of year. Like, I thrive in fall and winter. Like, mainly winter because fall is still pretty hot here in Phoenix. Just having these scents in my home like just brings me so much peace and calmness. I love it. Next I got champagne, apple, and honey. Again, the apple scents from Bath & Body just smell nice and clean. It smells nice and clean, but it does have like the hint of sweetness to it. So I'm interested to see what it's going to smell like as a candle. Next I got Harvest Pomegranate. So anything like fruit scented or whatever, like that's my thing. This one is gonna be more of like a clean scent, I guess, but it has like a tinge of sweetness, but it's mainly like a clean, just fresh scent. It kind of smells like a Jolly Rancher, like the red Jolly Rancher. Next is the Pumpkin Pecan Waffles. This one smells so good. It smells like roasted pecans, if you have ever smelled that. They're so good, but it smells like roasted pecans. I totally forgot to read the fragrance notes for these. For this one it says maple syrup, golden waffles, pumpkin spice, brown sugar, and natural essential oils. That's all that I got for today. I got 4 candles, I got 4 shower gels, I got 6 wallflowers. If you want to see any other hauls, just let me know because I love doing it. I love shopping. As far as my total for all of this, the original total before discounts would have been about $210. So total discount I got was $106, and then how much I actually spent was $101. So I spent less than I saved. So I saved more than I spent. Whatever. All of that for $101. Could have easily been $200 had I gone on a regular day where they weren't having a sale. Subscribe to my Instagram, TikTok, I'm just at Lisa Nicole Gomez. Like this video, comment down below any other videos you would like to see, and I will see you guys next time. Have a beautiful day. God bless.